Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply connect Orca Slicer to the Adventurer 5M. So first things first, you want to head over to the printer category at the top corner of your screen. Click on the drop down menu and then you want to select create printer. It will then allow us to create another preset. So normally you just want to select Forge, select the Adventurer 5M, and then you have the ability to edit out the nozzle diameter, bed shape, printable space, and more. I'm just going to click on OK. And if you have presets, you could also do that by just selecting it right here. So in my case, I'm just going to do the same thing, which is to click Flash Forge, and then let's go ahead and import setting from this specific printer. Let's enable something like the generic PA template. Click on create, and basically you're good on this part. Right after, heading back to the printer category, basically you will be able to see this Wi-Fi icon beside it. So just make sure that you have selected your preset, which is going to be the Adventurer 5M or the Adventurer M. Click on the Wi-Fi icon, and inside on the host type you want to select FlashForge. You then want to enter the hostname IP or URL, and same thing with the device UI. So you will be able to find this inside your printer's setting, Wi-Fi connection, and then click on create or settings account create and enter it right here, and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.